How to download Alight Motion on PC. So if you want to download Alight Motion on your PC, then first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with the search, and under search you need to search for download Alight Motion for PC and hit the search. Once you search, now you're on the first option, you will get alightmotionpc.com. Go with that, and if you scroll down, you will get download Alight Motion. You just need to simply go with download Alight Motion and it will be downloaded manually. Or if you have BlueStacks, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your BlueStacks. Wait for it to load and you will have the search option. You can just simply go with the search and search for Alight Motion. Once you search for it here, you will have the application. Just open the application and go with install from Google Play and it will start the downloading process. So that's how you can download Alight Motion on your PC. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.